Did you know? Even mild dehydration can drain your energy and make you feel tired. You have probably heard that you should drink water, but how much is enough? Can you drink too much? There are many different opinions on how much water you should be drinking every day. Some suggestions say that you should drink 8 glasses of water. Some say that it should be according to your body weight. And some health gurus also believe that you need to sip water constantly throughout the day, even when you're not thirsty. So in this video, I will share the benefits, right quantity, and the method to have water to attain numerous health benefits. Friends, the need of water in everyone's body is not the same. It varies from person to person. Considering factors like activity level, climate conditions, or health conditions. By the end of this video, I will share some tips to drink water in exactly right quantity. But let's start with the factors that contribute to the level of water requirements in your body. You might need to modify your total fluid intake based on several factors. So let's get started with those. First and foremost is the physical activities. If you do any activity that makes you sweat, you need to drink extra water to cover the fluid loss. It's important to drink water before, during, and after workout. In any given day, if your exercise is intense or it lasts more than an hour, a sports drink can replace electrolytes in your body lost through sweat. Second is the environment. Hot or humid weather can make you sweat. Also usually occurs at high altitudes. Third is overall health. Your body loses fluids when you have fever, vomiting, or diarrhea. Drink more water or follow your doctor's recommendation to drink oral rehydration solutions. Other conditions that might require increased fluid intake includes bladder infection and urinary stones. Fourth, pregnancy or breastfeeding. Women who are pregnant or are breastfeeding need additional fluids to stay hydrated. The various benefits that we achieve through proper water intake. Some you already know and some you will be amazed to hear. Don't worry, I will give you proper facts about each benefit for you to understand the importance of what I will share. Approximately, an adult body is made of 2/3 of water, where the brain consists of 80%, blood 83%, lungs 90%, skin 64%, bones 30%, and muscles with 75% of water. So you can say that drinking enough water per day would undoubtedly fulfill the necessity of liquid in your body. Weight loss. For sure, drinking water alone will probably not cause you to lose weight. However, drinking water properly will not confuse you with hunger. Also, if you take water before and after meals, it can help you feel fuller and cause you to eat less. If you drink water, your organs will work better and rid your body of harmful toxins that could cause you to retain water. So while drinking water, it doesn't make you lose weight directly, but it certainly can be a very helpful tool in your weight loss journey. Organ functions. Many of the organs in your body are made up of mostly water. If you don't drink enough water, your organs will try to steal water from your hair and skin to get the water they need to work. If they still can't get enough water, they won't work to their full potential. Water will improve your immune system because it allows your body to fight off illness as long as you are hydrated. If you get frequent headaches, the solution may be as simple as drinking more water. The brain is made up of nearly 90% of water, and if you are constantly dehydrated, you will be tired along with slow thinking. Combine that with being more prone to headache, and you can see why drinking water is so important for organ functions. Detoxification. Your body fluids transport waste products in and out of your cells, while your kidney and liver flushes those waste products and other toxins out of your body. If you are dehydrated, this process of your body would be inefficient, along with the risk of developing kidney stones or urinary tract infections. Health, muscles, and recovery. Being adequately hydrated is very important when exercising. Drinking water helps prevent muscle cramping and lubricates your joints in the body. Additionally, drinking water can make your muscles stronger. Water carries oxygen to the cells of your body, including those of your muscles. Being well hydrated enables your muscles to work longer and harder before they feel tired, which in turn will help you build your muscles. Appearance. As stated above, your skin consists of 64% of water. So when our body goes through dehydration, it causes your organs to steal moisture from your skin, hair, and fingernails. Only if you take proper amount of water, your skin will be more supple and radiant. Your hair will be shinier and fuller, and your nails will grow longer and be less brittle. So friends, let me give you 8 simple ways to drink water in right quantity. First, drink water as and when you feel thirsty. That's simple, right? Second, sit down and drink water rather than standing. By standing and drinking, you disrupt the balance of fluids in your body, and this may lead to greater accumulation of fluids in your joints, causing different kind of health issues. By sitting and drinking, your muscles and nervous system is much more relaxed and helps the nerves to digest food and other fluids easily. Your kidney also pays the filtration process while sitting. Third, notice the cues that your body gives you to know that you are dehydrated, like color of your urine is not clear, dry chapped lips, etc. Fourth, avoid gulping down large volume of water in a single breath. Rather, take smaller sips. Swallow, breathe, and repeat throughout the day. Fifth, as much as possible, keep water bottle along with you so that you don't laze around or mistakenly confuse thirst with hunger. Sixth, have water first thing in the morning and then 20 minutes before and after having each meal. This way, you will achieve the right quantity of water without realizing. Seventh, During high heat or exercise, make sure drink enough to compensate the lost fluids. 8th, avoid iced chilled water that disrupts the ongoing process of digestion and puts off the fire. Cold water decreases the blood supply to various organs of the body, further leading to constipation. So let me give you a bonus point as well. Don't just rely on what you drink to meet your fluid needs. Include fruits and vegetables, such as watermelon and spinach, that are almost 100% water by weight. So friends, let's conclude by saying how important water is. So please stay hydrated and maintain good health. Cheers.